If you've been avoiding video marketing because you hate cameras, hate editing, or hate paying freelancers, this video is for you. What if you could create professional video reviews in minutes without showing your face, without recording your voice, and without buying expensive tools? Today, I'm reviewing a product that claims to do exactly that. It's called Easy Faceless VID-Review Builder, and in the next few minutes, I'll show you what it does, who it's for, and whether it's worth grabbing today. Let's get straight to it. This is not hype software that magically makes you rich. But if you want a simple, beginner-friendly way to create faceless video reviews using free AI tools, this training actually delivers. It's practical, fast, and designed for people who want results without tech stress. Easy Faceless VID-Review Builder is a step-by-step video training course. It teaches you how to create AI-powered video reviews without no camera, no mic, no freelancers, no editing nightmares. You use free AI tools to generate scripts, visuals, and voiceovers. This is perfect for affiliate marketers, beginners with no experience, YouTubers who want faceless channels, freelancers offering video services, anyone uncomfortable being on camera. The main objection it solves is simple. I don't know how to make videos and I don't want to show my face. Once you log in, everything is laid out step by step. First, you're shown how to research a product fast, then how to use AI prompts to generate persuasive review scripts. Next, you learn how to turn those scripts into videos using AI visuals and AI voiceovers. You'll also see how to add captions, add background music, create clean, professional scenes, export videos ready for YouTube, Shorts, or social media. No guessing, no complex software. Just follow, copy, and publish. This works perfectly for screen-recorded faceless videos. There are optional upgrades after purchase. OTI 1 is the YouTube Ranking Ultimate Guide at $27. This focuses on keywords, optimization, and getting videos seen. OTI 2 is the Motivational Video Builder Masterclass at $37. Great if you want viral shorts, reels, or TikTok content. OTI 3 is done for you motivational videos with PLR at $37. You get over 1,000 ready-made videos you can use or resell. OTI 4 is reseller rates at $47. This lets you sell the main product and some upgrades as your own. All upgrades are optional. The front end works on its own. If you grab Easy Faceless Vid Review Builder through the link below, you'll also get these exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, Keyword Research Ninja, find profitable keywords fast. Bonus 2, Lead Book Generator, turn traffic into email subscribers. Bonus 3, Web Email Timer Plus, add real scarcity to boost clicks and sales. Bonus 4, Promo Video Secrets, create short videos that convert. Bonus 5, Affiliate Marketing Thrive, a full course on earning with affiliate offers. Bonus 6, Backlinks Warrior, built stronger rankings with better backlinks. Bonus 7, Powerless Pro, grow your email list on autopilot. Bonus 8, Traffic Secrets Unleashed, discover low-cost traffic sources. Bonus 5, Conversion Equalizer, improve conversions without more traffic. Bonus 10, Branding Secrets, build trust and authority online. These bonuses are added automatically when you buy through the link. I'll remind you again at the end. Here's the bottom line. If you want to create faceless fit reviews fast without tech headaches, this is a smart pick. You don't need experience, you don't need tools, you don't need confidence on camera. But bonuses are limited. Once the launch period ends, this bonus stock expires. So if you're watching this now, click the link below and secure everything before it's gone. Thanks for watching this Easy Faceless Fit Review Builder review. If this helps you, like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and check the link in the description. Click the link below to get the product and unlock all exclusive bonuses before the deadline. Access details and bonuses will be delivered instantly after purchase. See you in the next video.